The Phomemo TP31 wireless tattoo printer is impressively compact and lightweight, so it fits easily in a small workstation or travel kit without feeling like extra gear to haul around. Its built-in rechargeable battery lasts through long sessions and can handle a substantial number of stencil prints on a single charge, which is a real advantage for convention days or mobile artists. Because it uses thermal technology instead of ink, the printer produces crisp stencil lines without smudging, clogging, or the constant maintenance that traditional printers often require. Wireless connection to phones and tablets makes it simple to send designs directly from common devices, so you can tweak artwork with your usual apps and have a stencil ready in about a minute. The companion Phomemo application adds real value by offering ready-made stencil options, size and placement adjustments, and tools that convert color images into clean line art for more precise tattoos. It is especially well suited to small and micro designs, working efficiently with narrow transfer paper and making it easier to produce detailed lettering and fine line pieces without wasting materials.